Hello everyone, I am Biswajit. Today we discuss some important questions on quadratic equations. So let us start. Question number 6. Solve by using quadratic formula. Two questions here. Quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root by 12. This is quadratic formula. So here you see a is equal to root 2 bit 1, a is equal to root 2, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 5 root 2. Put this value in this formula. Okay. So x is equal to minus b minus 7 plus minus 7 square minus 4 into a value is root 2 into c 5 root 2 square root by 2a 2 into a value is root 2. So here this is minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 4 into 5 20 root 2 into root 2 2 20 into 2 40 40 square root by 2 root 2. Now you see it is minus 7 plus minus 9 square root by 2 root 2. It is minus 7 plus minus 3 by 2 root 2. So here first value, 2 value, we get 2 values here. X is equal to, first to take minus 7 plus 3 by 2 root 2, that is equal to minus 4 by 2 root 2. You can cancel this one, minus 2. So minus 2 by root 2. Okay, this minus 2 by root 2, you can rationalize it. You can multiply minus 2 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2. So it will be minus 2. Directly you can write, cancel. What is 2 by 2 minus 1, so minus root 2. It is minus root 2. Here you directly can cancel this one. Okay. Second x is, you see, take minus 7 minus 3 by 2 root 2. It is equal to minus 10 by 2 root 2. It is minus 5. So minus 5 by root 2. Okay. So minus 5 by root 2 minus 5 into root 2 by root 2 into root 2. We can write here minus 5 root 2 by 2. So this is one value. This is one value and this is another value. Okay. It is bit 1. Then write it down first. B x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 where x not equal to 0. If value of x is 0, then it will be not defined. We can't define this one. Okay. Because 1 by 0 is not defined. So here you take x, it is x square plus 1, that is equal to 3. That implies x square plus 1 equal to 3x. That implies x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now put the formula. You can write here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 1. Formula is what? X equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root by 2a. That equal to minus b, minus of minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4 into a, 1 into c is 1 square root by 2a, 2 into 1. That equal to 3 plus minus 9 minus 4 square root by 2, 3 plus minus root 5 by 2. So one value is x equal to 3 plus root 5 by 2, or you can write x equal to 3 minus root 5 by 2. There are two values. Write it down. Next, question number 7. Determine the nature of roots. Determine the nature of roots. Nature of roots, you know that d is what? D is b square minus 4ac. D is called discriminant. So there are three conditions. if b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, second b square minus 4ac smaller than or equal to 0, and third b square minus 4ac equal to 0. If greater than or equal to 0, we get two distinct roots and real. Roots are real. Smaller than, no real root. Okay. Third, two equal roots. Two equal roots. So now I check. A, question number 7a. First one, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. X square plus x. So here, you can write here a equal to 1, b equal to 1, and c equal to 1. Find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1. That equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3. It is smaller than 0. So second, no real roots. No real roots. Okay. Similarly, b, 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Here a equal to 4, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 1. Put in the formula. B square minus 4ac. B square is minus 4 square minus 4 into a. A is 4, c is 1. It is 16 minus 16 equal to 0. So 0 means here two equal roots. Two equal roots. Okay. Then third bit. Third bit. C, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, c equal to 4. Put b square minus 4ac, put the value. B square minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a 3 into c 4. Sorry. That equal to, it is minus 4 into minus 4, 16, root 3 into root 3, 16 into 3, 48. Minus 4 into 4, 16 into 3, 48. 48 minus 48 is 0. Then third condition, b square minus 4 is equal to 0. So it is two equal roots. Two equal roots. Okay. Then 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, c equal to 3. B square minus 4ac is equal to minus 6 square minus 4 into a into c. It is 36 minus 8 into 2. Sorry, 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24. It is 12. 12 greater than 0. First condition क्या है? Two distinct roots. Two distinct roots. Solution is real. Okay, real solution and two distinct roots. This k, for which the quadratic equation k plus 4x square plus k plus 1x plus 1 equal to 0 has equal roots. Equal roots condition is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Okay, then you see this is the equation. Equation is k plus 4x square plus k plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. So here you can write here. It's question number 8 answer. Here a equal to k plus 4, b equal to k plus 1 and c equal to 1. A equal to this one, b equal to this one and c equal to this one. So put this value in b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b is k plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a into c. C is 1 equal to 0. Now open it. A plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus, open it, okay, minus 16 plus, 4 into 1, 4, multiply, that equal to 0. That implies it is k square minus 2k minus 15 equal to 0. Okay, middle term factor. middle term factor, or you can put it in the formulas also. This middle term factor, you can write k square, product minus 15, if you add it is minus 2, so minus 5k plus 3k, you see, if you add it minus 2k, multiply it minus 15k square, okay, that equal 0, that implies k common k minus 5 plus 3 common k minus 5 is equal to 0. So here k minus 5 into k plus 3 is equal to 0. So here k minus 5 equal to 0 or k plus 3 equal to 0. That implies k equal to 5 and k equal to minus 3, two values. Okay. Okay. This is question number 8. Finished. This question number 8 answer. Write it down. Then 9. Question number 9. You see, if the equation 9, equation this one equal to 0 has equal roots condition, b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that is the condition. Equation दिया है ये वाला. So here you can write equation is 1 plus m square into x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0. Here a equal to 1 plus m square, b equal to 2mc, c equal to c square minus a square. Okay, write a small c square minus a small. This c and this c different. So c equal to this one. So write b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Put b value to 2mc square minus 4 into a 1 plus m square into c square minus a square equal to 0. Okay. Now you see 4m square c square minus 4m square is multiplied. You can write minus 4 multiply this one. 1 into c square 1 into minus a square, then plus m square c square, then upon it minus m square a square, okay, equal to 0. Now upon this one 4m square c square minus 4c square minus plus 4a square minus 4m square c square plus 4m square a square equal to 0. Now you see 4m square c square minus 4m square c square cancel. Now here what to prove? We have to prove c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. C square equal to, you take this one, so c square, this will be 4a square plus 4m square a square is equal to this one, take to right side, okay, so it will be 4c square. Now take 4 common, 4a square common. If 4a square common, 1 plus m square equal to 4c square. 4 cancel. So now you see c square equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Proved. Okay, this is question number 9. Write it down. Question number 10. Digit number is that product is digit is 18. Let unit digit be x. यूनिट डिजिट एक्स हो गया. प्रोडक्ट 18 है. प्रोडक्ट 18 मीन्स क्या होगा? टेंस डिजिट क्या हो जाएगा? टेंस डिजिट विल बी 18 by x. Product is 18. So if unit digit is x, then tens digit will be 18 by x. Original number will be 10 into tens plus digit plus unit place. So it is, right, 18 180 by x plus x. It's the original number. Then when 63 is subtracted from the number, is the original number. According to question, when 63 is subtracted from the number, so 180 by x plus x minus 63, then the digits interchange their places. So number क्या हो जाएगा? डिजिट इंटरचेंज होगा तो ये टेंस प्लेस से क्या हो जाएगा? x हो जाएगा. ये जो यूनिट प्लेस का है, सॉरी यूनिट प्लेस का है, वो हो जाएगा 18 by x. ओके. सो न्यू नंबर क्या हो जाएगा? न्यू नंबर हो जाएगा 10 इंटू टेंस प्लस एक्स प्लस यूनिट प्लस. ओके, ये हो गया न्यू नंबर. वो पूछा है व्हेन यू सब्ट्रैक्ट 63 क्या बन जाएगा, इंटरचेंज हो जाएगा, न्यू नंबर हो जाएगा क्या 10x प्लस 18/x, ये हो जाएगा। ओके, अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं। देखो 180x/x माइनस 18/x, ओके, प्लस x, you can write here, equal to 10x minus x minus plus 63. Okay, you take a LCM, तो 180x minus 180/x, okay, 180/x, so 180 minus 18 is equal to 9x plus 63. So it will become 162/x equal to 9x plus 63. If we multiply this one, 162 will be 9x square plus 63x. 9x square plus 63x. So equation will be 9x square plus 63x minus 162 equal to 0. ओके, ये हो गया क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हो गया तो उसका हम क्या करेंगे, फॉर्मूले उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो मिडिल टर्म फैक्टर भी कर सकते हैं। देखो यहाँ पे हम 9 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो हो गया x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x माइनस ये क्या हो जाएगा 9 1 जा 9 18, अभी मिडिल टर्म फैक्टर हो जाएगा। क्यों, x स्क्वायर प्लस 7x माइनस 18 इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा 0, 9 इधर आ गया, 0 हो गया, तो ये आ गया क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। मिडिल टर्म देखो मल्टीप्लाई करने से -18, ऐड करने से क्या होगा 7x, तो ये हो सकता है क्या होगा, ओके, क्या होगा x स्क्वायर प्लस 9x माइनस 2x इक्वल टू -18 इक्वल टू 0। दैट इम्प्लाइज x कॉमन ले लो, ये हो गया x प्लस 9 माइनस 2 कॉमन लेने से x प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0। दैट इम्प्लाइज x प्लस 9 इंटू x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0। तो एक हो गया x इक्वल टू -9 और एक हो गया x इक्वल टू 2, दो वैल्यू आ गया, एक है -9 हो गया 2। वो क्या पूछा है, फाइंड द नंबर। अभी देखो नेगेटिव नहीं होगा, तो 2 डिजिट नंबर है, तो हम इसको क्या करेंगे, x को 2 ले लिए, तो x हो गया 2, x 2 हो गया, तो x हो गया 2। नंबर क्या है, ओरिजिनल नंबर 180/x प्लस x, तो 180/2 प्लस 2, तो हो गया 90 प्लस 2 92 इज द ओरिजिनल नंबर। ओके, राइट इट डाउन। These are some questions to 10. In next video we will do some more important questions, nearly about 20 questions we will discuss on quadratic equation. Okay friends, thank you very much for watching. Keep smiling. God bless you.